Alright, it's taken me 3 days to get back into my account after Google Plus lost my password. So Google Plus is really a mess. Anyway, let's look at a new Zippo that I got. Another one. Now this is a pretty fancy one. Comes in the regular black box, and on the back it says King of Spades with, I don't know what that EVI means. Let's take a look at this one. That's the plain Zippo black box. It says made in the USA. Now here's the King. This is a pretty fancy Zippo. It's on the chrome body, and there you can see the King on one side has the wooden scepter, kind of a benevolent looking king. And on the other side, this guy looks kind of mean. He looks like a warrior king. He's got a spear in one hand. His crown is pointed. Very different than the one on this side. So this is the King of Spades on a chrome body that was made in February of this year. Fires up nice. Got that real good Zippo sound. That is a pretty fancy little King Zippo. And Zippo does make a few playing card lighters. Here's an ace over here. There's a joker. This one is really fancy. It's the 1932 replica. This is a really nice one. I've had this one for a while. It's only about 3 years old, but that is a few of my Zippo playing cards. Pretty good additions to my collection. Knuckle Bump,